Dear students, welcome to your own class Chemistry with Mind. Namaskar. Today we will study colligative properties. So let us start. Colligative properties. What is these kind of properties? Colligative properties are the properties which depends only on the number of particles. Number of particles means number of ions or number of molecules of the solute present in definite quantity of the solvent. That is called colligative properties. And these kind of properties or these type of property does not depend on the nature of the solute. So, colligative properties are the properties which depend only on the number of particles. Number of particles. Here what is the meaning of particles? Particles means it can be ions if this is the ionic substance or molecule if it is non-ionic. Correct or not? Particles of the solute in definite quantity of the solvent. Correct? And this type of properties does not or do not depend on nature of the solute. So these are colligative properties. Generally we are discussing four types of colligative properties in general. Number one is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Number two is osmotic pressure. Number three is elevation in boiling point. Number four is depression in freezing point. Number one is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Number two is osmotic pressure. Number three is elevation in boiling point. Number four is depression in freezing point. So let us understand this one by one, why these properties are called as colligative properties. See, relative lowering of vapor pressure. As I have already discussed in the previous class in the Raoult's law. See, when we are dissolving the non-volatile solute, correct? When we are dissolving the non-volatile solute, then it will replace some of the molecules of the solvent present on the surface, and evaporation is the surface phenomena, correct? So, since solute is the non-volatile, it will not volatile, correct, and it is occupying the space on the surface. So, actually it is blocking the space. So, number of particles of the solvent on the surface become less. When the number of particles on the surface of the solvent become less, it means definitely vapor pressure will decrease. And how much will be the non-volatile solute in the solvent, that much will be the decrement or lowering of the vapor pressure. So, this is colligative property, correct. Now come to the osmotic pressure. How much will be their osmosis? Osmosis means it is happening from lower concentration to the higher concentration, correct. So, how much will be the difference between the concentration? That much fast will be the osmosis, and how much fast will be the osmosis? That much will be the osmotic pressure. So, of course, it is colligative properties because it is depend on number of particles. Elevation in boiling point. When we will mix the solute, then the boiling point will be elevated, and how much we will add the solute, that much will be elevation in boiling point. So, it is colligative properties. In the similar way, depression in freezing point, how much we will add, that much freezing point will decrease down. So, that is also colligative properties. So, thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you please ask in the message box. I will give you the reply as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe it so that you can get my next video automatically. Thank you very much.